Hacienda Macalawan Incorporated, Let's Thai, Show My House, Capitulo Deterred Restaurant, Bean Derm Facial Center and Day Spa, Pure Foods,
Calle Arco, Chowking, Santa Cruz, Bayan, Gardenia, Ama Education System, Cable Vision Systems Corporation, and SLCT Mall, Santa Rosa, Calamba, and San Pablo.
And of course, Henlin Pagsanghan. Okay, ayan. Magsimula na tayo. I would like to present the judges for our Carnival Queen Competition 2011 ng La Laguna Festival. Ngayon pong gabing ito. Ayan muna. Pero bangitin muna natin ang chairman po ng itong event ng competition for tonight ng ating Carnival Queen. Ayan ang siyempre ang provincial architect Mansley Kilhoho. Ayan, magandang gabi. Okay, our first judge.
So, Honorable Walmart Anthony R. Dakdak, second year student STI College, Bachelor of Science Management, Sangguniang Kabataan ng Provincial Federation, President ko. And Ardel Tudoro, the Grand Champion for Hairstyle and Makeup of 2006 Hair Asia Battle of the Champs.
A round of applause for Honorable Walmart Anthony Dakdak. Our second judge, Grand Print Ads and Commercial Model, former Mr. Buddy, he 2007, Mr. Shopwise 2007, Cosmopolitan 69 Bachelor 2007, and Endorser Chancellor 9000. Entrepreneur, a round of applause, Mr. Danny Marco Odehar. Fashion designer and discoveries, mentor of numerous beauty queen and movie stars. The first recipient of Gawad Parangal Alagad ng Sining Award of Laguna. He is now the Municipal Tourism of Santa Maria, Laguna. A round of applause for Judge Manuel Bonday.
Grand Champion for Hairstyle Makeup,
Designer Florist, great executive, siyempre, isang kasama natin sa Pagsangan Designing Team. 6 times siya ang gumagawa ng exhibitionist ng land float ng Pagsanghan. A round of applause for Mr. Reggie